Welcome to a comprehensive guide on transforming your creative ideas into tangible income using Midjourney. This powerful AI image generator is not just a tool for artistic expression, it is a gateway to a thriving online business. We will explore how to leverage Midjourney to create and sell a diverse range of digital products. The opportunity to earn online by generating unique visuals has never been more accessible. Midjourney empowers you to produce high-quality, original content with just a few well-crafted prompts. This guide will show you how to turn those creative prompts into consistent profit. Midjourney opens up a world of possibilities for digital product creation. Let's explore some of the most lucrative avenues. You can create unique, high-quality images ideal for websites, blogs, and online articles. These visuals stand out from common stock photos, offering a fresh look. Businesses and content creators constantly seek distinctive imagery to enhance their online presence. Midjourney also excels at producing custom graphics for blogs, social media campaigns, and various marketing materials. These personalized designs can greatly improve a brand's visual communication. They add a special touch that standard graphics often lack. Midjourney is an incredible tool for creating stunning illustrations and artwork. These can be used as designs for books, articles, and professional presentations. The AI's versatility enables a wide range of artistic styles. You can also offer personalized artwork services to individual clients. Imagine creating unique digital portraits or custom scene illustrations based on their specific requests. This niche market highly values bespoke creations. The demand for beautiful digital wallpapers and backgrounds is always strong. Midjourney can create stunning visuals ideal for desktops, phones, and tablets. These products serve individuals wanting to personalize their devices. You can produce themed collections or abstract designs that attract a wide audience. Providing multiple resolutions ensures compatibility with various devices. This market depends on visual appeal and regular updates. Engaging visuals are essential for success on social media platforms. Midjourney enables you to create eye-catching images for social media posts and advertisements. These visuals help attract attention and boost engagement. Beyond posts, you can craft unique profile pictures, banners, and other social media assets. Custom branding materials made with Midjourney help individuals and businesses build a strong online presence. This adds a professional and unified look to their profiles. Midjourney is a great tool for creating unique digital art pieces that can be minted as NFTs. Each piece generated can be one of a kind, offering true scarcity in the digital world. This attracts collectors and art enthusiasts. You can then sell these unique digital art pieces as NFTs on specialized marketplaces. This lets you tap into the growing world of blockchain-backed digital assets. Understanding the NFT market can unlock significant earning potential. Turn your Midjourney creations into designs for physical products. Popular options include graphics for t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, and phone cases, allowing customers to wear or use your art daily. You can also make designs for posters, wall art, and other tangible items. Print-on-demand services handle manufacturing and shipping, so you can focus on creating. This business model reduces your initial costs and inventory risks. Midjourney can support the creation of various website elements. This includes custom icons, banners, and unique graphical components. These assets assist web designers and developers in building distinctive sites. You can also produce engaging backgrounds for web pages and user interfaces. High-quality, original backgrounds can greatly improve a website's visual appeal. Offering these as downloadable packs can appeal to a specific market. Once you have your Midjourney creations, you need platforms to sell them. Here are some of the top marketplaces and services available. Etsy is a very popular marketplace, especially known for handmade and digital goods. It has a large audience actively looking for unique items. Setting up a shop is quite easy. Etsy is perfect for selling your Midjourney-created artwork, illustrations, and print-on-demand designs. Its strong community and search features make it simple for buyers to find your products. Digital downloads are especially popular on this platform. Creative Market is a platform designed specifically for designers and creatives. It offers a curated collection of graphics, templates, fonts, and other digital assets. This marketplace attracts a professional audience. Selling on Creative Market can showcase your Midjourney creations alongside high-quality design resources. It's an excellent place to sell website elements, social media templates, and unique illustrations. The platform emphasizes quality and originality. Services like Redbubble and Printful enable you to sell your designs on various products without handling inventory. You upload your Midjourney art, and they manage printing, shipping, and customer service. This is a great way to passively monetize your designs. Redbubble is known for its extensive product selection and worldwide reach. Printful integrates with e-commerce platforms like Shopify, giving you more control over your storefront. Both offer an easy entry into selling physical products. Dedicated NFT marketplaces are vital for selling your Midjourney-created art as non-fungible tokens. OpenSea is one of the largest and most recognized platforms. Rarible is another popular option, providing a user-friendly experience. These platforms enable you to mint your digital art, establishing its authenticity and ownership on the blockchain. Understanding the minting process and gas fees is essential for success in this field. The NFT market continues to change quickly. Your own website. Building your own website with platforms like Shopify or WordPress with WooCommerce gives you unmatched control. You set the branding, pricing, and customer experience. This creates a truly personalized storefront. Having your own website also offers greater control over your brand identity and customer data. Plus, it helps you avoid marketplace fees, which can boost your profit margins. This choice is perfect for those aiming to build a long-term brand. Submitting your Midjourney images to stock photo websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock can generate passive income. These platforms license your images to businesses and individuals worldwide. You earn royalties each time your image is downloaded. While the earnings per download might be small, the volume can accumulate over time. High-quality, unique images created by Midjourney can stand out in a crowded market. Regularly uploading new content is essential to maximizing your earnings. Understanding potential earnings and the factors affecting them is essential for any entrepreneur. Your journey with Midjourney will probably move through various levels of success. Several key factors will influence your weekly sales and overall income. Product quality is crucial. High resolution, visually appealing, and distinctive creations will consistently perform better. Regular marketing efforts are necessary to ensure your products reach the right audience. Choosing a niche is important. Focusing on a specific, underserved market can result in higher conversion rates. Lastly, competition on your platform determines how much effort you must invest to stand out. Conducting research on your selected market is essential. For beginners, expect a few sales per week, resulting in a modest income. This initial phase is about learning the ropes, understanding your audience, and refining your product offerings. I'd like you to focus on consistency and gathering feedback. Intermediate creators with consistent effort and improved product quality can earn a few $100s per week. This level requires more strategic marketing and a better understanding of market trends. Advanced creators who have built a strong brand and used effective marketing strategies can make thousands of dollars each week. This stage often includes scaling up operations, diversifying product lines, and possibly hiring help. It demands significant dedication and business skills. Mastering Midjourney prompts is essential. The better your prompts, the higher the quality and uniqueness of your output. Experiment with different styles, parameters, and keywords to unlock its full potential. Continuous learning in prompt engineering is necessary. Niching down allows you to target a specific audience with tailored products, reducing competition and increasing relevance. Instead of trying to appeal to everyone, focus on a particular aesthetic or use case. This helps build a loyal customer base. Actively promote your products across multiple channels to increase visibility. Use social media, email marketing, and SEO tactics to attract visitors to your listings. Don't just create, market your items effectively. Providing excellent customer service builds trust and encourages repeat business. Respond promptly to inquiries, address concerns professionally, and aim for customer satisfaction. Positive reviews are invaluable for growth. Ultimately, patience and persistence are the most crucial traits for achieving success. Building an online business takes time, effort, and resilience. There will be challenges, but consistent effort will ultimately lead to rewarding outcomes. If you like this video and want to see other similar content, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel to receive up-to-date AI, robotics, and mind-blowing space exploration content.